Yallada!
Well, Kate, it's hard to believe that 2025 is already coming to a close.
I know. We've loved meeting everyone in the community and yarning with you about Mossman's Microgrid. We feel so privileged to have been welcomed to country by Uncle Roy with a very special smoking ceremony. We've had some great yarns with the community, with service providers, with council at our events like the Big Microgrid Yarn and the Energy Dreaming Workshop.
But nothing can beat the fun we had and the connections with the kids and community at the school holiday program. Creating energy with balloons, solar-powered cars zipping everywhere and bugs hopping about, building mini microgrids and painting cool roofs. To top it all off, a very special invite to cool off down the creek with the kids and parents is something we will never forget.
But wait, there's more. We're bringing a bit of colour to community. We're helping the kids paint the poles along the footy field in our street art project. And it's exciting to see that construction has started on the microgrid. And keep an eye out for a very special announcement. Karen Gibson, who's an amazing talent, she's done a piece of artwork for us that's going to be on the microgrid. So for now, we want to say thank you so much for making us feel welcome. And we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a safe and Happy New Year. See you in 2026.
Bye.
Bye.